Criticism is the gateway drug of marital destruction. According to Dr. John Gottman, it is the first of the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse, the communication patterns that predict divorce with startling accuracy. Criticism does not simply point out a problem, it attacks the other person's character and personality. It turns a specific complaint into a global statement about who they are. You never listen. You're so lazy. You're just like your father. Why are you always so selfish? These statements do not invite change. They invite defense. The moment criticism lands, the receiving partner's nervous system goes into protection mode. Listening stops. Problem-solving stops. The conversation becomes a battle of who is right and who is wrong. Gottman's research draws a clear line between a complaint and criticism. A complaint focuses on a specific behaviour and how it affected you. I felt stressed when the dishes were left in the sink last night because I had an early meeting. Criticism adds blame and character assassination. You're so inconsiderate. You never think about anyone but yourself. The difference looks small on paper, but the emotional impact is enormous. Complaints can be heard and addressed. Criticism almost always escalates. Why do so many of us fall into criticism? Often it comes from accumulated frustration. Small, unmet needs pile up until they explode. Sometimes it is learned from childhood. Sometimes it feels like the only way to finally be heard. But the research is unambiguous. Frequent criticism erodes the friendship and admiration that healthy marriages need to survive. The antidote Gottman discovered is the soft or gentle startup. It has 3 simple parts. First, start with I feel, instead of you always or you never. Second, describe the specific situation without judgment. Third, state a positive need or request. Here is the same issue transformed. Criticism version. You're so messy. This house is a disaster because of you. Soft startup version. I feel anxious when the living room is cluttered because it makes it hard for me to relax after work. Could we spend 15 minutes tonight putting things away together? Notice how the second version keeps the door open. It invites collaboration instead of triggering shame or anger. Practice this formula on small issues first. The next time you feel irritation rising about chores, punctuality, phone use or parenting, pause. Take 1 breath. Then use the soft startup structure. Most people are surprised by how quickly the temperature of the conversation drops. A common mistake is to use a soft startup, but then slip back into criticism halfway through. Stay disciplined. Another mistake is to expect your partner to respond perfectly the first time. Old patterns take time to change. Keep modelling the healthier approach. Couples who replace criticism with gentle startups report fewer arguments, faster repairs, and a noticeable return of goodwill. The emotional climate of the home softens. Partners begin to feel safe bringing up concerns instead of storing them until they explode. Gottman found that the first 3 minutes of a conflict conversation predict the outcome with 96% accuracy. A critical startup almost guarantees a poor ending. A soft startup dramatically increases the chance of understanding and resolution. Your partner is not the enemy. The problem is the problem. When you stop attacking character and start addressing behaviour with care, you give both of you a real chance to solve it together. Start tonight. Choose 1 recurring frustration and rewrite it as a soft startup. Say it out loud. Notice the difference in how your body feels and how your partner responds. Then keep practicing until it becomes your new default. If you are ready to stop the cycle of criticism, comment "soft startup" below. Share this video with your spouse. Follow for the next horseman and the exact tools that reverse each toxic pattern. One change can transform the entire relationship.